Imbat Orion Mobile Rooftop. A mobile package unit designed for easy transport, fast installation, and reliable comfort. Thanks to its robust portable frame, Orion can be moved by forklift, crane, or truck and set up on site in minutes. The compact design makes transport easy with a pallet jack. Without connecting to any other cooling or heating system, it runs simply by plugging in and connecting flexible air ducts. Its main use is temporary events, exhibitions, concerts, and seminars, where existing buildings need extra capacity to keep guests comfortable. Orion is also the perfect solution for peak demands, during extreme weather or when warehouses and factories need additional cooling power. It delivers immediate support. In special situations, such as historical buildings with limited HVAC capacity, Orion adds comfort without requiring permanent changes. Beyond its wide range applications, Orion stands out with advanced technical features that ensure performance and reliability. Orion offers a wide capacity range with airflow from 2,250 to 8,000 meter cubes per hour and cooling capacity up to 50 kilowatts. It delivers reliable year-round performance from minus 15 degrees Celsius to plus 42 degrees Celsius with 100% fresh air operation. The unit is built with 25 or 50 mm double-skin sandwich panels, insulated with A1 class rock wool for superior thermal and acoustic comfort. Reinforced panels and strong construction ensure durability, even in demanding conditions. Protective grills shields the outdoor coil from debris, impacts, and harsh weather. Orion uses eco-friendly refrigerants, R410A or R454B, to deliver efficient cooling with less environmental impact. High-efficiency scroll compressor provides powerful cooling and heating with excellent reliability. The heat pump system provides both cooling and heating in one solution. An integrated electric heater adds extra heating capacity when outdoor temperatures drop. The EC supply fan ensures low energy consumption and quiet operation. EC or 3-speed AC outdoor axial fans provide efficient and adaptable airflow. Smart controls and automation make operation and monitoring simple. A plug-and-play electrical connection reduces installation time and effort. A rotary heat recovery module saves energy and reduces operating costs. Orion brings comfort on demand, wherever and whenever you need it.